Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope all of you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Naima Akhter Tesha, Assistant Teacher Science, Morning Shift of National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to take an elementary science class for class 3 students and it's a RW class. Let's start our class. Our today's topic is short question from 1 up to 4 and it's a RW class. Our lecture number 24 RW. That means this question already have been given to you, but it's a RW class, that's why I am repeating it. Question answer 1. Why do we need to eat fruits and vegetables? Fruits and vegetables are rich in vitamins and minerals. Eating fruits and vegetables is good for health. These provide us nutrition, which is vital for our health and protect us from disease. That is why we need to eat fruits and vegetables. Normally, for a balanced diet, there are some elements of balanced diet: carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamin, mineral. From fruits and vegetables we get the vitamin and mineral. That's why these fruits and vegetables are very much important for us. Let's again see the answer. Fruits and vegetables are rich in vitamins and minerals. Eating fruits and vegetables is good for health. These provide us nutrition, which is vital for our health and protect us from disease. It increase our body immune system. That is why we need to eat fruits and vegetables. Our next question is, why do vitamins work for our body? How do vitamins work for our body? Vitamin is one kind of food elements. Vitamin help our body to work properly and stay healthy. Vitamins protect us from disease. Vitamins are richly contained in fruits and vegetables. That means fruits and vegetables are the source of vitamins. Vitamins. Okay. Now let's see the question answer 3. What should you do after using toilet? We should keep toilets neat and clean because germs can spread through urine and stools. We have to use toilets properly and wash our hands with clean water and soap after using toilets. Let's see again. We should keep toilets neat and clean because germs can spread through urine and stools. We have to use toilet properly and wash our hands with clean water and soap after using toilets. Our question number 4. Mention 3 ways to keep environment clean. We live in the environment. So for our healthy lifestyle, we need to keep our environment clean. Let's see the answer. We need to clean our environment to reduce the spread of germs. 3 ways to keep our environment clean are given below. These are the 3 ways. First one, number A, we should keep toilets neat and clean. Number B, in our houses or schools, we have to wipe the benches, tables and chairs and sweep the floor to keep it clean. Number 3, we should put garbage in a dustbin or a specific place. This is very important for us. In our regular household work, the waste product will produce and we have to throw it in a specific place. Otherwise, from this, germs can be spread and also mosquito or fly can produce there. We need to clean our mosquito and flies will come and from them germs can be sprayed. We need to clean our environment to reduce the spread of germs. 3 ways to keep our environment clean are given below. First one, we should keep toilets neat and clean, because it is the it is one of the main place from where the germs can spread. In our house or schools, we have to wipe the benches, tables and chairs and sweep the floor to keep it clean. Number C, we should put garbage in a dustbin or a specific place. Dear students, we have finished our today's topic. I hope you have understood today's topic. It was a RW class. So keep practicing at home, stay at home and stay safe. Thank you.